What is an LLC? LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. Just like the name implies, your liabilities are limited by creating an LLC instead of operating a business as a sole proprietor. What are the benefits of forming an LLC? Limited liability. By forming an LLC, it allows you to keep your business and personal assets separate. If your business is sued or if the business can't pay its debts, it only affects the business. A creditor for your LLC can't come after your personal assets. If you are personally sued or going through a divorce, the assets in an LLC belong to the LLC. You can't be forced to sell the assets of the LLC or close down your business. Although with the order of a judge, the LLC could be ordered to pay any profits that would have gone to you to your creditors. If you were to operate as a sole proprietor, if you or the business got sued, all the assets are lumped together and could all potentially be lost instead of separating your personal and business life with an LLC. Tax flexibility. Your LLC can be taxed as a sole proprietorship. Basically, what the business earns, you report as your personal income. It can be taxed as a partnership if there are various owners called members for an LLC. Your LLC can also be taxed as a corporation. Many business owners choose to tax their LLC as an S Corp because it can lower the amount of self-employment tax paid by the owner. More on that later on. The most common taxation of an LLC is as a pass-through entity. That means that the LLC itself doesn't pay any taxes. You'll hear a phrase related to corporations as double taxation. The corporation is taxed on its profits, and then the owners of the corporation pay taxes on any money distributed to them. An LLC functioning as a pass-through entity doesn't pay any taxes, only the owners pay. With this, there's only one level of taxation instead of two. Ownership flexibility. You can have one member, a single member LLC, or you can have multiple owners. You can even get into more complicated structures where some members have voting rights and some just receive a share of the profits, but do not get to vote on how the business will operate. There can be different types of owners for an LLC. US citizens, foreign citizens, US businesses, foreign businesses. An LLC can even own other LLCs. Management flexibility. Within the operating agreement, you decide how decisions will be made. A decision you'll make when you create your LLC is if it will be member managed or manager managed. Member managed means that the members or owners are going to share the decision-making process. If your LLC is manager managed, the elected manager will make the day-to-day decisions of how the business will run. Credibility. Creating an LLC, corporation, or another business entity instead of operating as a sole proprietorship gives you additional credibility. You formed an actual business entity. The formality helps build trust. Name protection. If you form an LLC, your state won't let another business in your state use the same name. LLC disadvantages. Cost and complexity forming and managing your LLC. The state fees for forming an LLC range from $35 to $500 depending on the state. For the cost of forming an LLC in your state, I'll include an article and video in the description below. Some LLC formation services like Busy and Zen Business will form your LLC for free. You just pay the state fee. We normally form LLCs using Northwest Registered Agent. If you use our affiliate link in the description below, it'll only cost you $39 plus the state fee. You'll also receive their registered agent service for free for the first year. In total, by using our link, you'll save $186. You'll also probably want to get an EIN from the IRS and an operating agreement explaining how your LLC is going to operate. Videos on how to get an EIN and an operating agreement for free down below in the description. As of 2024, you must report the beneficial ownership information of your LLC. Then you have to have a registered agent in most states. Northwest Registered Agent is what we use and costs $125 per year. If you use Northwest to form your LLC with our link, the first year is free. A registered agent must have a physical address, not a PO box, in the state where your LLC is formed and be available during normal business hours, Monday to Friday, to receive any legal mail and correspondence from the state. Most states also require you to submit an annual report and some charge an annual fee. Self-employment taxes. One of the downsides to having a pass-through entity like an LLC is that you pay self-employment taxes on all the profits of the LLC. That's the main reason why most LLC owners later decide to tax their LLC as an S Corp after they're making around $75,000 in profit per year. More info on S Corp versus LLC in the video below. For me, the benefits of having an LLC outweigh the disadvantages. For any business I'm starting, I wouldn't operate as a sole proprietorship. If you now want to learn how to form an LLC, watch this video along the side right here, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye bye.